at Campbellsfreedomfarm. My name is Stefan.
And I'm Sabrina, and we heard there's a yeast shortage. I happen to have one. It's probably worth $50, but today we're not going to use that. I'm going to sell that.
We're gonna make it.
We're going to make it. You know, I was thinking I wanted to make some English muffins, and we had one left. And I said, you know, my dad with the restaurants, I remember all this bubbling stuff in all the corners. And I'm like, that's the yeast. We had sourdough pancakes, we had everything. This is so easy. It's like a 1-second deal, but it takes 5 days. You're going to ferment yeast, or you're going to ferment flour is what you're going to do. And we're not making alcohol. Okay, basically, it's going to be equal parts of weight. Okay, so
Yeah.
flour, and
One.
you're going to be my stir because my arm's doing good, but still not there yet. So I'm going to do roughly 2.5
2.5
tablespoons.
3. So the 3 good in here, but we need more.
And the reason you see 2 jars is, I had a review,
We're gonna make.
we couldn't find the book, the cookbook that we used for the restaurants and stuff, but I had stuff. Some people use just on the first day 2 tablespoons of clean, more organic, no sugar added pineapple juice. This basically makes it ferment a little faster. So I'm gonna mix that in.
Yeah.
Now for the other one, and I'll post how it works, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of water.
What
And
are
since
we
I
gonna
can't get
do
my
now?
arm above here, he's
What are-
gonna stir. You're gonna stir that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this in an area where it's warm, not too hot, but warm, and probably a countertop. That's what my parents did.
And this
And
will look
you
like.
need air. Don't cover it. Only 4 things for yeast: flour, water, air, and a jar. What? Okay, that's it. Good. Okay, that's all. So every day you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to keep adding 2.5 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of water. And then basically, see, it's like dough. And it's going to start bubbling on the 3rd day roughly. You're going to keep feeding your yeast because it's very organic, very living right now. Okay.
And now I'm gonna stir it. And then take a lot of metal. You'll hope you can do it strong. It will get thicker and thicker, right?
That's right.
I
This quarantine has brought us spending more time together, although we always did. Okay, that's it.
and also I eat a lot of vegetables. You'll eat a lot of vegetables every day.
That's it. Please subscribe. I'm going to keep adding this and show you the process. In 1 week, I'll show you the total product, and then we can make my English muffins.
Yeah.
Bye.
And bye.
Hey.
Hi. It's the next day. Later on. So I stood it up. So this is super thick now. So now Mama gonna help me.
No. She's done. Okay, she can if she wants to.
Okay, stir it.
So it's really thick. 2nd day, we've stirred it on and off a few times.
But
Otherwise, we just cover it and then let it be. We just wanted to update.
and now it's super sticky.
Yeah. Does it smell anything yet? That's the pineapple juice one.
It smells good.
Oh, it smells good. All right. And what about the other one?
That smells good too.
Okay.
But this one might be not that good, but this one might be the best.
Oh, because of the pineapple juice, maybe. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
you-
Bye.
Next time, bye day. Hi, it's Campbellsfreedomfarm, and my name is Stefan. And
So today
And
it's
also
day
see-
4 of making yeast.
yeah.
And he's stirring in what? Flour and water again? And show him.
And then when it's stickier, see?
Yeah, it's stickier. And it's doubled in size.
They want it bigger because they're out there maybe or the plain one or not plain. And this one is super not sticky. It says super it's super wet. And maybe we add a little too much water, maybe.
Okay, it's starting to smell like yeast. Boxers love bread. And no, I don't want their nose near them. And so it's starting to bubble a little bit. The one with the pineapple juice actually is bubbling and rose more. Okay, see you on day 5. Hi everyone, we're back.
The Campbellsfreedomfarm. And my name is Stefan.
And I'm Sabrina, and we're 5 days later. We just unveiled the yeast and we're ready to use it. So the first one here is with the pineapple juice unsweetened, and this one is just the regular water and flour. Do you want to zoom in? It is bubbling. The dogs are going around and around it. So we successfully made yeast. We only needed 4 things. We needed a jar, water, flour,
and cover.
we needed flour.
Flour.
Right. And then for one of them, we tried with the pineapple juice. The pineapple juice result, it was more bubbly and it rose more than the other one. It's a darker color. It smells amazing. Both smell amazing. It brings back a lot of memories. So what we're going to do with this, now that it's done, we're still going to feed it once a week because I'm going to refrigerate it. So every week you're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of flour to 2 tablespoons of unchlorinated water. So bottled water, or if you live on a well like us, that. And you're going to stir it and use it. This will last how long? A long time. If
long time.
Starts stinking, throw it out, and you're going to have to start over again. But I'm going to make English muffins this weekend, and what are you going to make?
I'm going to make pizza.
He's been wanting to do pizza dough. So there's no short.
I know how to make a battle pizza. Battle pizza.
Yeah.
I'm going to use a little muffin, and then I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to cook it in the oven and wait for it, and then I'm going to eat it up.
Okay, people, there's no shortage of yeast. Just go back to the basics, follow our recipe, and I would love to see your pictures of your food that you make and your trials and errors. Again, thank you. Subscribe, like us, share us.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Don't let it without a cover, because if you don't, all the butter will get in it. If you don't have butter, that's covered anyway.
That was the 4th ingredient, air. It has to have air. Water, flour,
Air. Right
air, and a jar, and a grandson to stir. Bye.
Bye. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.